Let's say we go back to the doghouse and work on the Fargo a wee bit today. I really haven't done much lately. Just other things to do, you know how it's like. But anyway, we'll get to the doghouse, check out the Fargo, see what we're going to do. I think maybe we'll do a little bit of body work this week. I put off the motor installation for a little bit. Just things aren't working out right. But anyway, I want to start tackling the little bit of Bondo here and there, or welding. I got some holes here where the previous owner had those West Coast mirrors or East Coast mirrors or trucking mirrors anyway. I don't like them whatsoever. I got some holes up here too that he has some grab bars. I don't need a grab bar to get in my truck. And I cut out a little piece down here at the bottom. George called it surface rust, but as you can see, it's about 3 inches high and 4 feet wide, a little bit more than surface rust. But I got it cut out the other day, and I figured, well, I might as well shoot a little bit of film. That way I kind of keep track of what's going on. I want to, like the inside of the truck is really good. You can see holes, but those are only holes for running wires and cables through. I got the plugs for them. But you can see here, down there, that's Georgia surface rust. I'll get all that stuff welded in and take that radio out. Keith's going to put in a new stereo system for me. He's going to put it here in the glove box. Hide it in there. I don't use a glove box for anything anyway. Take that out and I'll weld a piece of metal in there and blend it in, get it all painted up, looking good. And then there's not a whole lot to do to the door. Again, this side here I got the holes to weld up. Good old East Coast or West Coast mirrors. A couple more holes here for the grab bars that the previous owner had. You got those stupid lights in the top, some kind of clearance lights or whatever. Those are for rednecks, and I'm not a redneck. I'm just an old fart. And then there's some holes down here. I don't know what was going on here. Well, this one down here, that's rust. This one here, that was punched in, but I think when they put the bolt through here for the bolt the fender on, the bolt must have fell down inside of here, and so they popped a hole in there to get it out or something. I really don't know. It's not that important anyway. Not for what I want. I just want a nice truck to drive around. A little bit of a rat rod style. But anyway, yeah, let's get at it. Let's get some. Like I said, I got that piece welded or cut, and I just have to fit it. It's really tight in some places, so I have to do some grinding and get it to fit a little bit better. And get it welded in, get the other stuff welded, and continue on. Get the running boards. I got new running boards for it. Well, new old stock, kind of. The others are they're trashed, but I got some other running boards that are really good shape. They're a little bit long. They're for a long box, but I can get them cut down and get it TIG welded together again. My son's a really good welder, so he can do a nice TIG weld on them, and we'll see how things go. Anyway, we'll continue on.